it do, YouTube? It's your guy that got cap, and we back with a video, you know what I'm saying? On our way to Texas 2K, North Carolina, on our way to Texas, man. 16-hour drive. Got the crew with me, got the Supra, got the BMW on the trailer. Got the gang with me, so we finna hit the road. Finna give y'all some insights and some, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Can't even speak. Alright guys, we currently are putting the damn, can't even fucking talk. We basically are turning the car around on the trailer so that it doesn't be scraping in the middle. So we got to turn the car around. Then that's what we're about to do. So give me one moment, we'll be back on the road. Keep coming.
You got the parking brake down?
Yeah. You got it. Keep going, keep going. What's that? What's that? Oh, yeah, you scraping. Definitely scraping under there. It's scraping in the middle, right here.
Come back up. It's scraping.
It's scraping right here in the middle where you stop.
Keep doing
it. Here we go at the gas station. Sorry about the camera, but we are here. Got Betty White on the trailer. I don't know how many hours we got. I think we got like 10 hours left. We've been on the road for 4 hours already, so this shit is crazy. Check in with y'all at the next spot. We're in Atlanta, Georgia. It is 6:03. Stop number 3. We are here in Alabama. As y'all can see, we are in some country ass fields. Got Ronnie in the back. You feel me? Yeah, we Gucci. But still got 8 hours and I think 30 minutes. It's what time? I believe it's 7 o'clock in the morning. So we pushing time. We just trying to really get there. So like I said, man, y'all stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe. Go ahead, hit that bell for me. And yeah, let's go. Whew. What it do, YouTube? We are in Louisiana. It is, what time? 12:18. We got 4 hours and like 30 minutes left till we get to our hotel. We'll be there at like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. But Texas 2K, man, we on the way. Road to, I guess, some money and some wins. Let's go get this, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, man, YouTube. This is the 5th and final stop. I can't make this up. We just came through a construction site. My fault. We just came through a construction site and it's kind of tight, so we don't know if the trailer gonna fit. So we actually sitting at the gas station waiting to see if he can make it through. But yeah, man, we here at the gas station. We 2.5 hours away from our destination in Texas 2K. So like this goddamn video, man. Go ahead, yeah, click that, yeah. What up, YouTube? We just got to the hotel. We just got to the room. About to check in. I'm gonna show y'all the room. We gonna shower, and then we gonna head to my guy Ronnie and T's Airbnb, and we gonna link up with them for some action tonight. So y'all stay tuned. Banger. We done made it to the mansion. Ronnie, we here? Yes, sir. In that mug and mirror.
Every time we open the door, they come straight. Oh, I got light on.
Check this out. Let me show y'all this bathroom real quick, man. Cause it's nice, but the bathroom don't got no door, no wrap. I don't know what happened.
Look at the shower. Look at the shower.
Where the shower? Oh, it ain't no door to this thing either. Oh yeah, y'all. Ooh, nah, it's still dope though. I like that. I like the shower. Damn, I can't even get myself out. What they got in here? Pool table? Oh yeah, it's time to go down. Oh, the foosball table. Okay. Look, with the balcony. Hold on. With the balcony, man, it's going down. You know what I'm saying? It's going down. I ain't gonna show too much. Like I said, it's not my Airbnb. Me and my girl got a room, you feel me? So I ain't gonna show y'all too much of their personal space. But this is where the gang will be at, you feel me? And this is where I will be getting all the content of the drunk motherfuckers, drunk people, fun people, and all the good activity. Like I say, man, if y'all new to this channel, like, comment, share, subscribe, man. I got thing on the way to 10K, man. We on the way to 10K, man. Go on ahead. Yeah, we on the way to 10K. Like I say, man, got some content for y'all tonight, so stay tuned. Let's go. Here we are. Day 1, part 1 of TX2K in the streets. Got toe money. Shit that they finna have out here at Buc-ee's. Don't know what that is? This is 4 times of sheets. Biggest goddamn gas station I have ever seen. No fucking lie. Get with it. Got gang behind me. Got gang up there. Got a chopping ass truck over here. Got toe money. Chop away. I got cars all behind me, man. Y'all gotta see that shit. There's hella cars behind me. Hold on. Everybody going one way. Give me 1 second till I get out the car. I'm actually looking got the McLaren over there. Oh my god. Yeah, it's crazy out here. TX2K is going down. Let's get it. Yay! You go to keep coming. Look at that McLaren, yo. That shit is crazy. We are outside, man. TX2K at Buc-ee's, biggest gas station I have ever seen. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This is some crazy shit. Y'all finna get all this content. You know what I'm saying? Right here. Yee! What we got right here? Oh my. Damn. Hold on, baby. M3 competition. Got it. Oh no, I saw that. He blanked though. Let me get up in here. Gang, what's good with it? Say what's up with the vlog here. I like that red gut. Woo. With that 5 on that motherfucker. He's smitty. Got 12 over there. Flashing their lights. GTR, oh my fucking god. That look good. I can't even lie. Got another 5-0. Where the 5-0's going? And he got that on the goddamn trailer. He's sleeping. Oh, that's chopping. Yeah, I was just finna say that. He chopping. He chopping. That's crazy. Oh, damn, I think we parking the pump. Oh, yeah. Woo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, man. This is crazy. Somebody else chopping, too.
It's Challenger. The Challenger was chopping.
Oh, yeah, he chopping. Chop away then, chop away. Got the gang with me. I ain't gonna lie. Everybody doing this today RTs though. It look good to me, but it look good though. I can't lie. You said a cat swap? It damn so do. It definitely deserve a cat swap. On God. Alright now. Oh, they got a G8. That motherfucker look old as hell. Take this walk with me, man. I told you to charge it in the room. Hold on. We got a group. Car coming. I gotta have that in my ear. Now you ask me the difference. Look at it. That's the Super. What we doing, Ron? GTRs? GTRs? Hold on, let me get closer. Y'all see what he got going. Stop playing with that, man. That white one crazy. Check out this white. Y'all see the front with the red. He got the gap on there?
Yeah, he got that little GoPro.
Let me see what he working with. Ooh, boy. He took it off. He know what he doing. He took it off. Ooh. Then here we go with the number 3. Great thing. You feel me? See if he got that GoPro on the back of it with the No, he don't. Just one. But hey, it's hard enough. That shit crazy. Do y'all not see what's here? Like, yo. Do you not see what's outside right now? You ain't here, man. I understand. But you need to go ahead and hit that like. Go ahead and drop a fire for that comment. You know what I'm saying? In that comment box. And go ahead and hit that subscribe, man. Hit that bell, man. I'm bringing y'all some crazy content. Here we go. Just to get that. Boy, that motherfucker nasty. You got the Shelby over here. See me? With the matte blue. Woo. Shit. Man, we outside, bro. I don't know what to tell y'all, but we really outside. I'm not even a Mustang fan. But that motherfucker, boy, I'll buy that bitch. On my soul, I'll buy that motherfucker. It still put you in the woods, though. Be careful. Be careful. Alright, on to the next 5-0 that put you in the woods. Now, let me stop. I respect all Mustang drivers if y'all know how to handle them shits. I just personally don't know how to handle them shits, so yeah, it's a L for me. Woo. Hey, he cut that whole go. He cut that Hellcat off. I need to hear that shit again. Oh, ZL1? ZL1? That gloss is crazy. Oh my, hold on. Oh. Woo. Stop playing with that motherfucking truck right there. Eee. What about this color? Back? Now, I don't know what's going on with these Mustangs, but boy, y'all doing y'all shit, though. I can't lie. Y'all doing y'all motherfucking thing. Like, all I see is fucking, and they look good. God damn it, they look goddamn good. Shit. Oh my God. Excuse the music. I'm gonna put music over this. Man, listen. What the fuck is going on here, bro? Drop top cat. Crazy. That's it all. Drop top cat. Stop playing. Drop top cat. Oh my God. This is the drop top cat. Oh my goodness. Parachute on the truck. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, GTR. Like, come on, man. This shit don't get no better than this. This is not on the East Coast. I can tell y'all that now. Woo. There go another one. That's the Cadillac I want. Is that or the Camaro? Them the only two cars I've been looking at. What do we got? Look at this V. This V clean as hell, gang. This is the full package. Let me take it. I'm taking this one. I'm taking that. Yeah, is this? Or y'all gonna take this? Drop in the comments. You taking the V, or you gonna take that Shell B? You feel me? Which one you taking? Me personally, I'm over there, but got a little dirty thing, but y'all see what it is. You did. Got the package outside for real. With a Daytona on the white side. Stop playing with them. But they outside for real. They outside, man. Getting y'all this footage. Woo. Pull that motherfucker out. Pull that motherfucker out now. Woo. Y'all hear that mother? Do you? Let me get some. Why they so fat? Then you got the little, you see me? Little, yeah, right behind the 392 thing. Oh man. Boy, it's going crazy out here. Let me tell y'all something. I'm bringing y'all some crazy footage. I just drove 16, no, I take that back. 14 plus an hour, 15 hours on the road for this content. Y'all better like, comment, and share. You feel me? Go ahead and drop that. Yeah, go ahead and hit that like button, man. Let's go. More content. Man, we are here at the gas station. Got the Supra with the 360. Got the C06 with the 360. And police just pulled over a Mustang. As soon as we get here. God damn. Man, I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. I just came to take a picture of these cars. Look at this. And look at the truck. Don't forget the truck now. The truck nasty. Truck nasty. Look at that picture. Oh yeah, that's it. Caddy.